Sometimes we don't understand how much power our words have. So today I came up with a few choice words, and all I need you to say is I will. So say I will. Say I will. Say I will. I'm going to read these things to you, and I want you to recite them over and over all throughout your day. And I need you to get this down in your spirit. A lot of times we simply don't understand that our power is in our mouths. So the first one is, I will let God's will be done in my life, my children's life, my church, my job, my marriage, my singleness, and my business. I will work less hours but get paid more. I will never eat the seed. I will ask the Holy Spirit where to sow it. I will never be broke another day in my life because God canceled all my debt. I gotta repeat that. I will never be broke another day in my life because God canceled all my debt. I will make seasons mine. I will realize that Satan never invented anything greater than God. I will no longer allow lower level stuff to stop me. I will no longer allow lower level stuff to stop me. I will not care about what it looks like. I will tell it what it's going to be. I will be a believer who can be trusted with God's glory. I will ask for help. I will make a demand by faith from grace. I will learn how to use my kingdom currency, my faith. I will learn how to use my kingdom currency, my faith. I will forever have an abundance of grace, an abundance of favor, an abundance of earthly blessings. I will no longer carry around a dead body with Christ living in me. I will no longer carry around a dead body with Christ living in me. I will release what's in my spirit through my soul to my body. I will release what's in my spirit to my soul to my body. I will feed myself life daily. I will go anywhere but backwards. I will stop living on the wrong side of the cross. I will come over to the other side of the cross. I will make the shift that's necessary to move me forward with my kingdom authority. Today, I simply need you to understand that all you have to do is open up your mouth and say, I will.